Hola estudiantes, hoy es el 18 de agosto y este es el segundo día de tu clase virtual. So today on your agenda, let me see if I can find this to click forward. Okay, so on your agenda, 18 de agosto 2020, you will have some new vocabulary today. There will be a vocabulary document in your learning path that you will be able to open up and print if possible. Remember, if you can create a binder to go along with for your Spanish class, that will help you when you go back to study. If not, just open the document and then you'll need to open the presentation. Today you're going to you're going to learn about los colores in Spanish, the colors. After you've finished the presentation and filled in your vocab page with the English, then you're going to do a practice quiz called Las Banderas y los Colores, where you'll just need to go through and choose the colors that you see on the pictures of the flags that are in the quiz. There's also a follow-up vocab page that has the English completed in the vocab page for colors. And then the final thing that'll be in your learning plan today is called La Paleta. It's just a palette. The color words are scrambled, and then you need to color them on the painter's palette. That's an extra activity just to keep practicing with the vocabulary. So that's what you need to do today for your class. Make sure that you complete all of those activities and complete the learning path. And remember, we'll be taking attendance this week, and attendance will be taken by you showing that you've done the work this week. So, buena suerte, good luck on the work today. I hope you had fun doing your Flipgrid alphabet. I'll be looking at those soon. And then today, after you finish that quiz, I'll also be looking at the quiz to see how you did on that. I will be scheduling a time for virtual meeting for you soon, so be on the lookout for that on the announcements on your page. So for now, adios. Have a fun day. I hope you're enjoying Spanish. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon. Adios.